I realized there's a problem in my foot after my national championship in the cross country, where I came third. Before that race, I was kind of feeling a pain, but I thought it might be some muscular problem. But after the race, I couldn't walk. I went to the doctor, we did an MRI, half of my heel bone was cracked, and I had to immediately get a boot and sleep for 3 weeks. I just accepted that and straight away asked what training can I do, and they recommended swimming. I thought I want to train as much as possible so I don't lose as much fitness and I can come back quickly. And I just increased the time I spent in swimming, biking and gym, up until the point where I was doing 40 hours of aerobic training per week. I saw this injury as an opportunity to build an incredible aerobic base, because yes, I couldn't run, but I could spend all my time building an extraordinary aerobic engine. What kept me mentally okay during my injury was that I know that I'm doing the best I can do right now. And I want to set an example for future generations that when you get injured, you have an opportunity to build an aerobic base and not to get down or lose any confidence. There is no motivation loss. It was just a process of learning how to train differently. The way I work is I just follow the process. Cross-train until you're ready. And that's exactly what I did. Kept with a plan, and then I came back. And I kept tracking my hours of training every week. And I just made sure that I progressively did more training. I also checked my heart rate, and I realized that my heart rate was dropping in my workouts. So I knew that there is a lot of good work going on. The doctor said, okay, you're clear now, you're allowed to run. I put my engo glasses on and I started jogging. I was probably running at 7 minutes per kilometer with 130 beats per minute, which is something I've never seen before. I just laughed because I knew that it's just a matter of time till it gets back to normal. When I was at home and I found out that I'm going to Kenya to do my pre-season for the preparation for Athens, I was very excited. I was looking forward to come back to my second home and train very hard. This injury teaches me that I am a very strong character, and when you get injured, if you are so good, you just follow the process and come back stronger.